This is my spreadsheet advent calendar built using Microsoft Excel and VBA. If you would like a copy of this spreadsheet, please email me. My details are in the description below. It works like any other advent calendar, but the numbers 1 to 24 are in binary. You can't open any doors until December, and even then you can't open a door until that date has passed. The spreadsheet just won't allow it. Since I'm filming in November, I've adjusted the code to allow me to demonstrate so I can show you how it works. Let's imagine it's the 1st of December. I find the number 1, which in binary looks like this. I click the door and I'm given my treat. Each door has a Christmas joke, trivia or brain teaser hidden behind it. This is actually customizable or can even be replaced with images, which I'll come on to a bit later in this video. Now you can see that the door you've opened displays the number in decimal, so you can see which ones you've already opened. If I now try and open number 2, remembering that we're imagining it's the 1st of December, I get a message saying I can't open that yet. And that's how it works. You can personalize the calendar before sharing this with your friends in one of 2 ways. You can either enter your own messages, or you can put photos behind each door. What I'm going to show you first is how to edit the messages. The messages are all stored in a very hidden sheet. Very hidden means you can't find it just by right-clicking and going unhide. You have to go into the VBA module. In here you can see jokes as a sheet up here. This is where I've put the messages, and in the properties we have sheet very hidden. If I change that to sheet visible and go back to my spreadsheet, you can now see that sheet is visible. And in here are all the messages. I've put it into 3 columns. I've listed the question or setup for the joke, and then I've got the answer or the punchline in the second column, and then finally I've just said what type of question it is, whether it's a joke, trivia, anagram, etc. So if I go back to the advent calendar and click number 1, it pops up and it says day 1. It tells me it's a brain teaser. That's what's been shown in column 3, and it says when does Christmas come before Easter, and the answer is in the dictionary. And that is all stored in this first row. So that's day 1, day 2, and so on. If I would like to do a photo, I have to change the VBA code slightly, but I've made that really easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it now. First you have to open Visual Basic. You can do that pressing Alt F11 or go into the Developer tab and clicking Visual Basic. And if I do send you a copy of this spreadsheet, this will be password protected. I'll give you the password and you'll be able to open this up, but none of your friends will be able to, so you can send this to anyone you like and they won't be able to see what's behind each door until that day arrives. In here, underneath the Sheet 2 binary advent calendar sheet, there's some code. And this is the important bit here. At the moment it's set to display the joke or the message, and whenever you open a door. To replace that with images, we simply go like this. We comment out the display joke and we use the display image instead. All display image is doing is opening up this form, which has a series of images on it that will show depending on which day you use. To add your own images, you just have to find each day. If you go to this drop down here, we have day 1, we have day 2, day 3, and so on, all the way to day 24. You select that day and then you scroll down, find the picture option, and in here click ... and you find your photo that you want to be displayed. This will then be stored on the form, and whoever you send it to, it will display the image for them when they open the correct day. So if I open door 1 again, it will now display the image I selected. You can play around with the size of the form and the size of the image within Visual Basic, but I'm going to leave it there for now. If you do want a copy of this spreadsheet, do send me an email and I'll be more than happy to send you a copy of it. Like I say, it will come with all the jokes and brain teasers I already have on there, so it's ready to use, but you can customize it to have your own jokes, your own messages, or your own images. And that is the binary advent calendar built in a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.